How to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on. So if you want to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on problem, then what you need to do is just follow this video. So while you're on a call, this happens normally when you're connected to a Bluetooth device. So what you want to do is try disconnecting the Bluetooth device. You need to scroll down to the notification bar, and if your Bluetooth is turned on, you just need to simply go and turn off your Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth is turned off. And even if it's turned off, you might want to toggle that switch on till it's on and then turn it back off again. Now once you do this, your problem might be fixed. But make sure the ringer volume is turned on. Now to do that, you need to tap or press on the volume up button and make sure the ringer volume, however, you can see that the ringtone is turned on. So make sure that this call button, or while you're on a call, make sure the call volume is turned on. If this also doesn't help, then you might want to reset your device. To reset your device, you need to just open up your settings, or you can just simply press and hold on to that power button for a few seconds, and then you will get an option of restart. You need to just go and restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.